Hi everyone. So today I got this email from Notion that now I can try the Notion AI. So to use the Notion AI, what we have to do, we have to go to the settings and then enable this Notion AI. So we can do that thing. So see, this is how a current page looks like. Even I haven't tried. I'm just going to try now. So this is how if you click on the new page, this is what it shows. So if you go to the settings here, and where we have to go, we have to go to the settings. You can see here Notion AI. So let's enable it, and maybe I can click on update. Okay, the moment I updated, you see something extra came here, like that we can take the AI assistant and we can use it. So if you click on more, you can see a lot of things it offers, and I think it will be really helpful. I haven't tried it yet because usually I tried, let's say, just for AI or copy AI and then try and put it here, right? So Notion is the default place where I create notes or do stuff. So let's do here. So do you want to try anything first? Like, what is this? Help me write. Okay, it is an AI suite. We have to tell what would you like to write about. Okay, for example, article about the benefits of learning new language. So maybe we can talk about let's say the applications of natural language processing. Let's say this is what we want to get help from the AI assistant. Okay, it started writing about it. You see, a lot of thing it started writing about. So it wrote, I think, a couple of paragraphs, 4 or 5 paragraphs. This is natural language. So this is more of like a definition, and then this is one application in customer service. This is another application, speech recognition. Here is the text analytics, and maybe the search engine improvement. And you could see, right? It is able to write this kind of thing. So what we will do? Let's discard this, and maybe let's give something else. Maybe we see something like this. Top five NLP applications. So let's see what it does. It started with the now it started more of like a listicle form because we ask in that way, right? Top five. So this is good, right? You can take this thing, write some LinkedIn post, and you can do anything with that, right? So let's discard this thing, and maybe we can try different thing. Okay, this will just help me write, right? You tell the topic, and it will create some text so that you can take the text and put it anywhere you want. But there is a specific thing called a blog post. So let's look at the blog post. What it say? What should be the blog post be about? So we have to tell again the topic, the benefits of all these things, right? Maybe we can see, getting started with freelancing. This is what we want to, let's say, write a blog about, right? Getting started with freelancing, and we will see generate the post. Oh god, it started like introduction, getting set up, managing finances, staying organized, conclusion. So it wrote a small blog post here introducing what is freelancing and all these things, and then finally it concluded. It is definitely going to help you and make things faster. Let's try something else. Maybe what if we become specific? So we say, we say that maybe let's say becoming a data science freelancer. Does it talk specific about data science now? So yeah, this is introduction. Now it start about what is data science, what skills are needed to become data science freelancer, what are the potential opportunities. Yeah, but I still not happy with whatever the blog post it is able to write it. Maybe we can try something else. So what is, yeah, the brainstorm ideas. Okay, this is good. Let's see, what is the example here? Creative name ideas for pirate theme party game. Okay, maybe we can see that brainstorm ideas. Like maybe we can see that SaaS ideas for NLP AI. Let's see what SaaS ideas we will get. We can see a couple of SaaS ideas: the automated text summarization, natural language understanding, virtual assistant, automation of customer support, speech recognition. All are very generic. Maybe we ask brainstorm again. Maybe we say that tens. Maybe I would say 10 micro SaaS ideas, or we can say that 10 micro SaaS or AI micro SaaS. And let's say it is able to come up with those 10 things. It developed facial recognition system to be used in security, creative algorithm. Okay, these are all thing it is able to come up with. Maybe let's say maybe a product, or maybe the company name focusing on the spellings and all, focusing on, let's say, building custom AI solutions, something like that. Company name ideas, maybe we can see. Company name ideas focusing on building. Company name ideas focusing on building custom AI solution. Maybe I'm not giving the good instructions, but let's see. Okay, it says that neuron technologies, AI innovations. What is this IntelliBird? I'm not sure whether those companies are already present or not. What is this BrainBox solution? Should we check whether something like this exists already? BrainBox solutions. Oh, this is what I said. Something else, or did I copy properly or not? Let me copy this thing. Not sure from where did this came. There is a BrainBox solution. There is already a company with that particular name. So definitely, I'm not sure how much impressive this particular thing, but you can try. How to go back now? Okay, where are those all options went? Should we do something like this so that yeah, now it suggests us what to do? What else we have? Like find action item, blog post, pros, cons list. So okay, let's try this pro cons list, right? For example, maybe let's say freelancing versus job, and we will see the pro cons list of it. Okay, flexible working hours, lower startup cost, increase earning potential, work from anywhere, cons, lack of job security, and all these things, right? This is what I think definitely it can, since the good thing is you have this Notion page where you can generate a lot of text, arrange them easily rather than, doing somewhere else and then copy pasting here. So I'm not sure it can generate those, directly a good blog post or something, but definitely, it can definitely help us. So maybe try something else. Okay, writing a job description. Let's say, for example, we want to, let's say, a data science intern. Maybe we will say data science intern focusing on, let's say, maybe focusing on maybe let's say data analytics, and we want to generate a description for it. Data analytics. Let's see what happens. Yeah, here's the data science intern overview, the possible responsibilities, analyze and interpret the data, develop innovation solution, and all these things. Qualifications. So seems to be yeah. This is it can generate a lot of things. Maybe again, let's say what it has: job description, sales email, recruiting email, press release, essay, poem, creative studies, social media post. Maybe social media post. Maybe we will see. Maybe I would say a review of new AI writing assistant, Ocean AI, something like that. Let's say we want to write a post about this thing. Notion AI, our review. We recently had the opportunity to put Notion AI to test, and we could believe how powerful it is and all right? Okay, this is what it is able to write. I'm not sure, but I would say, rather I will prefer a Chat GPT-3 over this Notion AI thing because I feel Chat GPT-3 is doing better if I could have asked the same thing, to a Chat GPT-3. Maybe we can try also, but see, we don't have those instruction now. What happens if we try Chat GPT-3 for a similar thing and we can see? Oh, I need to log in it again. Let me log in with my Google account. What did we ask? Where are our stuff, right? Maybe, yeah, we will say, I want data science, intern. Let's say, write job description for data science intern focusing on data analytics. And let's see what ChatGPT 3 writes, and we will compare. Here, what else we wanted? Yeah, we wanted to write a social media post for the that Notion AI, right, or AI writing assistant. Now see what how it is, right? It is saying data science intern, data analytics in the bracket, and then it is we are saying this is what you see actually when you see a post like this. The ideal candidate, what will be their responsibilities. So what do you think? Which one is better? Let's see how what it did, right? maybe collaborating cross-functional team. This is generic requirement. Analyze data, extracting insights, technicals and stakeholders, Python or SQL. Not sure, but again, I'm kind of biased now. I think this chat GPT-3 is better compared to what we say in Notion here. Let's do this again thing, right? Write a social media post about AI writing assistant, or maybe the Notion AI. Maybe write social media post, or maybe I would say write a review post about AI writing assistant called the Notion AI. What we got here? We recently had the opportunity to test and all this, and this is what we got, right? So let's see what I recently started using Notion AI as my writing assistant, and I have to say I'm really impressed as someone who relies heavily on social media and content creation. Okay, this is what it is able to write. Now, do you think this one is better? I think the chat GPT-3 is definitely better no matter what you, though we have your, special things to do certain things. Okay, let's ask the same thing. Pro cons of, let's say freelancer or freelancing versus job, we will ask that same thing. And I think this was good, not a bad, what Notion come up with. But let's say freelancing, pros, control, flexibility. See, the one good thing is it might write freelancing pros and cons, and then again job pros and cons. If that is something it writes, then it is definitely better than the Notion AI. Because if you look at the Notion AI, what it did, you know, it actually told us the all the pros and cons of this thing. What is this? Freelancing with respect to a job, but here I think GPT-3, Chat GPT-3 is able to categorize separately. It is taking freelancing, telling the pros and cons in detail. Again, this depends what you prefer. But ChatGPT is definitely impressive, no matter what. Here you go, right? What else we want to try? We also ask, I think we tried a blog post also, right? Earlier, we tried to write a blog post on maybe what we write. Not sure. I think we write a blog post or something. Let's try something else here and see what we have. We have blog post, press release, job description. Here are the more pro cons list. We tried poem, press release, blocked. Okay, what about this job description we tried? Where are the other things? Okay, we put a p. Is it because of that? Yeah, now we see help me write, continue writing, brainstorm ideas. Let's try the brainstorm ideas, right? We will try again the brainstorm ideas. The maybe you say AI, NLP, microservice ideas, and we will take this. Here it is going to brainstorm. So the command itself is actually the brainstorm. What happened here? Did I copy? No, sorry. I have to write it again. What I was about to write, I think I was writing AI, NLP, microservice ideas, right? And let's say generate. And here we have to tell it what exactly we want. So we have to use the word brainstorm in front of it. There we didn't need. Okay, let's see what this thing did. So voice recognition based NLP app, natural language processing chatbot for customer service, AI driven search tool for business, AI powered translation app, AI driven automation platform, text analytics. Let's see what we are getting from GPT-3. Okay, it's still writing. It is trying. So the good thing about chat GPT-3 and also the other one, the latest Da Vinci model, which is 003, whenever it is doing that listing, it will mention the point and also mention one or two line description about that particular point. So that is something good thing about GPT-3. AI powered content summaries, and it is trying to explain this thing. What it did here, it is just listed those things, right? Very generic here. So let's see what it says. AI powered content summaries, an AI tool that quickly summarizes long articles or documents into concise, easy to read summaries. So you have the tool, what it can do, and sorry, the description and the title or something for that particular tool. So I guess definitely, if ChatGPT 3 server is okay, sometimes it will be busy. Then I would rather use ChatGPT 3 for everything rather than using something like this. But I hope this will get better once they have a better access to model kind of thing. What else we have in the Notion? Help me write, continue writing, brainstorm ideas, summarize poem, essay, meeting agenda. What about meeting agenda? What is press release? I'm not sure what is press release. Okay, the product launch for a new mind reading app. Okay, then we will see the the product launch of new AI writing assistant. Oh, my spelling, man. Okay, this is what we want to ask. And I will go there and I will say, write press release for, and I'll come back here. Introducing the AI writing assistant, revolutionizing writing workflows. I should have told the name of the tool also. Did I told where it is? We should have mentioned the name also so that it could have used that name during this thing. See how it is doing. Company name, product name. It's trying to templatize it. What this thing did? Introducing the AI writing assistant, revolutionizing the writing workflows. We are thrilled to announce that maybe I should have used the name. It would have been better. Our new AI writing assistant, the world's first AI powered writing assistant, all this thing. I'm not sure. I don't read press release. So this is what. Now what is GPT-3 is doing for immediate release? New AI writing assistant revolutionizing the writing process. Did they use the same words? Revolutionizing the writing workflows and revolutionizing the writing process. Almost like a similar headline. Here's a company name that maybe let's say the Notion is excited to announce that the launch of new writing assistant. Maybe here we can put the Notion AI assistant or writing assistant. This innovative tool uses artificial intelligence and all these things, and maybe CEO and all these things. Now I'm not sure exactly how press release looks like, but seems to be Chat GPT-3 is more structured in terms of those templating and all this thing. Now I'm not sure how the real press release looks like. What else? What else we have? So we have meeting agenda. Usually, what is exactly the meeting agenda? Sales email. Okay, let's see the sales email. Email for head of operations about new brain boosting supplement. Okay, this is Okay, so maybe we can see email HR head. What was that thing? I just okay. Email HR head about new writing assistant or maybe same thing. New AI writing assistant. I'm very bad at writing. First of all, I have mic in front of me, so I'm not able to type it properly. Okay, new AI writing assistant that can help HR professionals write maybe let's say better email, job descriptions, etc. Okay, maybe that's what email the HR head about new AI writing assistant that can help HR professionals write the better emails. Okay, let's copy this thing and I will go to chat GPT-3 and I will say I would say write sales email to maybe I would say write sales email to HR head, right? And let's go back what Notion did. Introducing new AI writing assistant for HR professionals. Subject. This is a subject. Unlock a more productive workday with our AI writing assistant, right? Dear HR head, we are excited to introduce this particular thing. This is what it can do for you. And finally, okay, not bad. What about Chat GPT-3? Both are like dear HR head. I hope this email finds you well. I wanted to reach out to introduce you to an exciting new tool that we believe could be game changer for HR professionals like you. As you know, effective communication is a crucial in the HR industry, this and that, right? And here are a few ways that product can help. Again, the format is almost similar. Okay, so it start that announcing that we have something for you in this is listicle form that what our tool do can do for you, and finally concluding kind of thing. So what this did, this also announcing that we have something for you, but it tried to establish why communication is crucial in the HR industry. This is what maybe the good thing about chat GPT, that it tried to remind them that why this thing is important, and then finally how it is going to help them. Okay, I think enough. You can also try this thing. I just wanted to thought of comparing chat GPT-3 with the Notion AI, and I use Notion very heavily. If you have watched my YouTube videos, I will be doing a lot of things in the Notion. Usually I will be have everything pre-written. Now you see, when I'm writing, I'm it is difficult for me to create creating video and also writing, because I have mic in front of me, and writing or typing on keyboard is getting hard for me. So I hope you found this video useful. Just try to compare, since you have a couple of AI tools, writing tools. Now here you can do this thing, right? Ask same task to different tools. It could be a chat GPT-3. It could be I use Jasper very heavily. just for the exploration purpose. I actually don't need to spend money for Jasper. I could do that same thing in the playground also if I want. Now we have a chat GPT-3, but still spend money and see how these tools are working. And if I'm not happy with any output, not able to use any template, I simply go to here the playground and maybe give that instruction myself and try to write here. So go try a couple of tools and see here. If you haven't seen the Jasper, right, Jasper has many templates. See, a lot of templates. So sometimes if I'm not happy with the output of these templates, I will try to do some trial and error here. Let me know in the comment if you have tried the Notion AI or any other a copywriting tool that you think that it is better than what I am just trying. Right, I would love to explore. And nowadays I'm actually exploring a lot of tools. I would say, I'm just exploring a lot of tools myself and trying and see which one AI tool is better for a different kind of task. And I'm actually, uploading some of these things on my channel also. They are not good. I should, make them much more informative. But whenever I try them, I try to maybe, put them here. So I tried a couple of demos here. Like I think this was related to Chat GPT-3. This is Dali. This is I think Jasper. I think I tried. This is one this Quillbot I also use regularly. I'm just exploring different tools, trying myself and see how these things work. And I thought of sometimes uploading those things here. Okay, enough. I think this video was unplanned and it just got dragged because I suddenly saw this email now, and that is what I thought of, trying and making the video from the Notion AI. I think they have here how we can use this particular Notion AI. You can also go and see how you can use. So, okay, enough. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.